Is your laptop keyboard damaged typing by itself or pressing the wrong keys? In this video, I will show you how to disable it and use only external keyboard. Okay, you will learn how to turn off the built-in laptop keyboard in your Windows 11 without disabling your USB or wireless keyboard. Okay, so let me start with the video. Okay, so come to the run or type here cmd command prompt, right click on it and just click on the run administrator as administrator. Okay, so here we need to enter one prompt. I just maximize it. Okay, okay, so this is a prompt which is nc config I 8042 prt space start equal sign disable and hit the enter. Okay, now when you hit the enter, your laptop keyboard will be disabled. Now you can connect your external keyboard and it will be working properly. And if you want to enable your laptop keyboard again, you just come here in your command prompt, and now you need to just replace that. Okay, you need to type full prompt and just replace that disable to auto and just hit the enter. Now you able to use your laptop keyboard. Okay, so that is how you can do this. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.